It is Monday the 17th of August. I'm on my way to the gym just now. I've had a pretty good weekend. Over the weekend I shot some photos of a dancer. I'm gonna put some of them up, but I won't put his face in. I don't know. They're gonna be on my Instagram anyway, so who knows what I'll do with these photos. You'll find out in a second. So I did a whole like a 2-hour shoot with him, which came out, the results were pretty good. I'm currently still in the process of editing them and photoshopping bits and bobs out. I didn't realize the full like power of Photoshop when you want to get rid of like certain objects and stuff to make the image look way more clean and crisp. So I've got something in my eye. So I'm off to the gym now. I've been training for the last like 3-4 weeks. Pretty good being back in. I haven't been in the gym for like nearly 8 months. We're traveling and COVID and everything. Do a couple of flips. And then when we come home, I might go to the driving range today, I'm not sure. But yeah, we vibe, we move on.
Take that. I'll admit it's a Rogue One. I don't not believe you, but I don't believe you in a sense. Like, did anyone see that? I'm just packing a quick bag because tomorrow I've got to be up fairly early because I'm going to the head offices of Sony. Let's just take a moment of appreciation for the fact of what I did in the gym after like 8 months off. I don't know if I'm putting that over this now or if you've already seen it. However, if you're impressed, just leave a little comment because I was impressed. So tomorrow's actually going to be a pretty cool day because we're spending the whole day at the Sony offices. Me and Reese were going because we're modelling for Kai Price again. We've done that a couple of times with him now. And tomorrow is part of the like online photography show. I believe, I'm not entirely sure, I haven't had full details about it all. But yeah, we're going to go there, do some gym stuff because he, you know, knows us. We've got a relationship with him now, and yeah, I've got to get the old GB leotards out, and we're going to do some pommel tomorrow. We're going to get up at like, I'm going to get up at like 6 o'clock because I have to walk you. Hello. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey. Hi. It is 6:30. I'm not a morning person. The reason I'm up this early is so that I can walk the dog in good time and just not stress about time. Oh God, I need coffee. Come on, go be clean. We are here at Sony. Mr. Beckford.
You don't know the thing, come on.
Wait, I don't know if you can't. Oh my God, it's well overexposed, but you see what we're on here. We're looking for a man who's gonna take us through the offices. So, without asking for permission, I've kind of stolen this and adopted the 2470. They kind of know, but they don't know, so we'll just keep our secret for a little bit. We come behind the screen and we have ourselves a cine cam and a bunch of sound bars. This place is full of gear and I am obsessed. I thought that'd be quite
cool. We could actually, if you wanted to do a piss take one day, you could actually have like you could actually have like the I know it's a bit big, that speaker, but you could actually come out of here and go.
We're here. The main man sorting himself out.
Why won't you have that on? Are you
back scenes? No.
As well,
behind the scenes. He's sorting out his code, doing some gear stuff. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a sick.
Well, because there's an interview literally going on through that curtain, so like that's the reason why I'm being quiet. I look like I'm a really moody kid, but I'm not. I'm just having to be quiet and whisper lower my voice. Tommy, you film me? It's in the centre. It's good lighting, that.
It's good lighting, you know what I'm saying? How we do every day, good lighting. Did you get that? Yeah. We throw it back everywhere. Hashtag pain.
Live stage at TPS. My name's Kai Price and I'm a photographer. I'm also a Sony ambassador, European Imaging Ambassador, and I want to show you the ins and outs of one of my shoots, how to recreate an editorial shoot where we're shooting some live action pictures. Okay, just go.
Feeling nightclub.
Like what?
Feeling a nightclub.
Listen to them and what works better for them, and this poor lockdown boy.
It's a struggle.
It's a struggle.
I'll go straight into flares with this one. I don't need to separate.
Okay, go. When you're ready. Great, Jay. So on three, just bring your hands together. 1, 2, 3. Good. I'll let they go.
I am about to put this bad boy on.
Have, like somebody proper.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Crazy that, like.
Manual focus that big.
No, don't do that to me. You don't do them things.
I mean, they go big. Just big. I put Madonna on.
That was just ridiculous. Too big.
Like,
Sadly, it's time to give all of this back now. So, just like literally like this. So we're just like. Yeah,
Hell no.
Don't know what you're
You
talking
ain't got
about. Well, that certainly looks a little bit better. I just did a whole talk to the camera, and I look back at it, and I'm overexposed. But so basically, I'm just sat at my desk right now. I say my desk, actually a TV stand in my bedroom on my iMac, because I've actually improved my iMac. I've taken the whole screen off and we've plonked an SSD in here. So this is running amazingly. So I now do the majority of my editing on this computer. I need to take it downstairs. But we're editing photos from yesterday because Kai kindly just gave me all of them, free reign on every single one of them. But Kai Price, if you want to check him out, he's on Instagram. He is a very, very talented photographer. It was also really nice doing it with Reese, and also being back in the Sony studios and back with Sony. I haven't seen them in a long time, so hopefully we can set some more stuff up in the future, because I really enjoy doing these types of things, and maybe even one day I'll be behind the camera as well. So that was really cool, and the reason why we are actually going to be using these images for the 2021 calendar that I produce every year, which is really exciting, to have these professional images. I normally have a load of professional images from photographers, which is awesome. I'm actually shooting some tomorrow as well, to get these done from Scott Phillipson.
A photo shoot.
We've got some funky shoot going on over here. I don't know what's going on. We're curious. We're on our final calendar shots with the man. Oh, I'm in F7. Down here.
How I take photos.
The stance. So vogue. Ooh. Ah. Bosh.
Actually wonder if any...
Any good?
no, too bad.
Yeah,
Actually, that's
alright. Yeah, you're not. Yeah, not. We just got kicked out because it was private property apparently. So we're just gonna chill here. Down there. Still a cool spot though. Kicked out again. Another private property place. Thanks to the City of London. Alright, so we're back from the shoot now. Literally just got back, and I have had something in the post that has arrived that I'm pretty happy with. It is this. If you don't know what it is, it's something for this little fella over here. I'm going to spend about, I don't know, however long it's going to take me installing that. While I'm doing that, I'm going to take a bit of time to install that now, and then I'm going to have a quick chat with you, and then probably going to end the video there, because this is probably going to be like a 15-minute episode, and this is going to be the first one back since God knows how long. But yeah, let me install this. And I want to say thank you to Scott for today. His time is always very valuable and it means a lot to me. Yeah, I'm going to install this RAM. Again, thank you, Scott, if you watch these. I don't think he watches these, but give him a follow. Boom, we have it. 24 gig of RAM, officially installed, an SSD. This is pretty much maxed out now as far as I can take it, and I'm really happy with it. But that is the end of the video, guys. Calendars are coming soon, so if you want to pre-order one of them, I would really appreciate that. Merch is coming soon as well. The new merch is absolute fire. I don't like calling it merch, it's more of a clothing range this time, and I'm really proud of it. I'm really happy to see the designs come through, and I have some physical copies. But I'm going to leave it on that, guys. Welcome back. Thank you for being all patient. Thank you all for being so patient in these last couple of months. It's been a hard time for me, and I'm sure it's been a hard time for you, but I really do appreciate your patience. If you've stayed subscribed, it means a lot. I'm going to try and bring some more videos, and I'll keep you guys more updated. If I don't feel like doing videos, I will make sure that I am more on that. Okay, so thank you very much. Guys, if you have enjoyed this episode, you're welcome to subscribe, like, comment. It does help out. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make every day count and enjoy life. I'll see you in the next one.